is a set of instructions given to the computer to solve a particular task. What is programming? Development of program is called programming. What is programmer? The person who develops program is called programmer. What is programming language? In order to develop a program, a programming language is required. For example, Python, Java, C, C++, Visual Basic are the example of programming languages. Now, what is Python? Python is an open source, object-oriented programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at National Research Institute for Mathematics in Netherlands. It is presently owned by Python Software Foundation. Python is based on the ABC language, a teaching language created to replace the programming language BASIC, which was developed earlier. Python is a general purpose programming language that can be used effectively to build any kind of program that does not require direct access to computer hardware. Now, what is the important features of Python? Python is a free and open source programming language. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Python is a high-level programming language. Python is a platform-independent language. It means Python program can run on any platform like Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. Python supports GUI, graphical user interface. Python is used for both scientific and non-scientific programming. This language can easily compatible with C++ and Java. It provides large standard libraries